United Arab Emirates, sometimes called the Emirates, is a country in Western Asia. Arabic is the official language. The UAE's oil reserves are the sixth largest in the world, and that's the country's main source of income. Yet, tourism acts as a growth sector for the entire UAE economy. Dubai is the top tourism destination in the Middle East, and Dubai International Airport is one of the busiest airports in the world. So now, here are the top places to visit or things to do in UAE. Burj Khalifa. The Burj Khalifa, which means Khalifa Tower, is the tallest building in the world. The total height is around 830 meters and it's almost half a mile into the sky. It has a lot of records to its credit. The best part here is the world's fastest lift, which takes you up to 124 floors in 1 minute. And the display inside the lift is amazing. Once you reach the top, the view of the whole of Dubai is breathtaking and mind-blowing. You can either choose to visit the 124th and 125th floor or the 148th floor, which is more expensive. Also, Burj Khalifa is situated in the Dubai Mall, which is the largest mall in the world. So, exploring Dubai Mall is also another thing to do in Dubai and also have an amazing shopping experience. The Dubai Mall also houses the world's largest floating aquarium, the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo. It houses 300 species of marine animals, including sharks and rays. Also, you could indulge in animal encounters such as king crocodile encounter, penguins, otters and ray encounters. Also, you can enjoy scuba diving experience in the aquarium, which is on the expensive side. One of the best experience here is the glass boat ride. You will be able to see the whole of the aquarium from the top through the glass and also have a wonderful experience of large fishes swimming alongside you. If you are planning to visit both Burj Khalifa and aquarium, it is always better to take the combo tickets, which are cheaper than the two separate tickets. Burj Al Arab. It is a luxury hotel located in the city of Dubai. It is one of the tallest hotels in the world. The shape of the structure is designed to resemble the sail of a ship. This hotel is the only 7-star hotel in the world. So you could go and see the beautiful structure and also go to the Jumeirah beach and get an awesome view of the hotel with sea in the background. Wild Wadi is another water park that you could visit that is just in front of Burj Al Arab. Jumeirah beach and Kite beach are a must-visit places in Dubai. You could have a great swim in the beautiful waters and have some activities like surfing and all that stuff. When you are in the land of deserts, how could you miss the desert safari? The next thing that you could do is the desert safari and camping. You could ride quad bikes, sandboarding and also take up a camel ride. The best experience would be dan bashing in the desert on the 4-wheel drives. After which you will be taken to the desert camps and you could enjoy fire show, tanura and belly dancing. Also you could enjoy good food. Dubai Safari Park. Spread across 119 acres, the Dubai Safari Park is home to more than 2,500 animals from all over the world. Lions, elephants, giraffes, bears, camels. You will find them all here. The park is divided into 4 zones: Explorer Village, African Village, Arabian Desert Safari and Asian Village. In each zone you will find animals native to these regions. There are trains to transport you to different zones. Dubai Safari Park is more than just a zoo. It is a wildlife park, animal sanctuary and education center. A must visit for anyone interested in learning more about the flora and fauna of the world. Also, there is bird show and animal show once in a day at particular timings. The next thing you could do is visit the amazing Dubai's Miracle Garden. As the name suggests, it is a miracle up here. The garden occupies over 780,000 square feet, making it the world's largest natural flower garden, featuring over 50 million flowers and more than 250 million plants. Global Village. Global Village in Dubai is located on Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road. It combines cultures of 90 countries across the world at one place. It is the largest tourism, leisure, shopping and entertainment project. You will be able to experience the food, culture and activities of all these nations in this one place without actually going to that particular country. It is a family place and there are lots of adventure rides and activities for kids as well as for adults. Hatta Dam. The drive to Hatta mountain is an awesome experience and driving through these mountain terrains gives you a special feeling of joy. It is about 134 kilometers from Dubai city and is the border of Oman. The Hatta Dam is a beautiful place to visit and to spend quality time over there. And also you could go on a kayaking experience. The best part about the kayak here is that the kayaking has no time limit. Scuba diving. Scuba diving must be on everyone's bucket list and Dubai is a place where you could bring it out of the bucket easily. There are lots of centers which provide the diving experience and have well-trained divers. The marine life is colorful and the waters are calm. And there is no need to know swimming here. It is one of my personal favorites in Dubai. If you are an adventurous person, you should head out to Jabal Jais, the highest point in UAE, which is located in Ras Al Khaimah. The drive up to the mountain is beautiful and once you go up there, the views of the valleys and mountains are stunning. Also, you can zip across the valleys on the world's longest zip line, which is about 2.8 kilometers. It is a must-to-do activity here. Next is the Dubai Frame. Located in the heart of the city, it is the world's largest structure in the shape of a photo frame. Here you can see the past, present and future of UAE. You can go up to the top of the frame and walk on the glass, which turns clear once you step on it. Also on one side of the frame, you can see old Dubai and on the other side, the new Dubai. Abra ride or the boat ride is the cheapest thing that you could do in Dubai. You could hop onto a boat for just 1 dirham and move across the Dubai Creek from Al Ghubaiba to Daira. Also, once you are in Daira, you could visit the amazing spices market and the gold souk. You must have a strong heart to see the gold ornaments out on display here, else there are chances you could faint off seeing them. Riding on the driverless Dubai Metro is a special experience and also you could see the whole of Dubai and all the high-rise buildings on the other side of the glass. Also take the tram ride as it is a rare thing that you will not find in many places. The tram runs along the beautiful marina area and once it is lit up, it's a treat to the eyes. And also you can visit the Marina Beach, which is at a walkable distance from the tram station. Next is the Grand Mosque situated in Abu Dhabi. It is the largest mosque in UAE and an architectural marvel. The mosque covers an area of more than 30 acres. The Sheikh Zayed Mosque has many special and unique elements. The carpet in the hall is considered to be the world's largest carpet. The weight of the carpet is 35 ton. The mosque also has 7 imported chandeliers from Germany. The largest chandelier here is the second largest chandelier inside a mosque and the third largest in the world, and has a diameter of 10 meters and 15 meters height. Try to visit the mosque in the evenings, as you can see it during daylight, and once the mosque is lit up, it's amazing and it's a treat to the eyes that you cannot afford to miss out on. Abu Dhabi's Jubail Mangrove Park is an awesome place for nature lovers. There are pathways among the mangrove trees. The pathways allow you to stroll through the mangroves, explore the natural landscape and wildlife spotting. In times of high tide, you will be able to spot a variety of wild animals, including fish and birds. However, in times of low tide, there will be less water and marine life will be at a minimum. The viewing tower is also one of the nicest places to be in. Also, if you are in Abu Dhabi, do not miss out on this free experience at the beautiful Abu Dhabi Corniche. It is a beautiful park and has walkways alongside of the beach. Also, you could get into the pristine clear water of the Corniche beach and enjoy a great time and have a beautiful swim out there. The list is unending and UAE is a very good spot for tourists and one of the safest places on earth. If you want to see the full vlog of each of the places, please do find the links in the description below. Hope you all liked the video, and this is Tom signing off from Distraction Routes.